This video will guide you how to effectively use the PNW Directory Agent. This agent integrates various directory, supporting user to quickly query vendor, customer, or staff information in Washington. Initiate a chat with the PNW Directory Agent by clicking on Start Chat. Here we will take 4 examples for each branch. Enter the command to inquire vendor details. The agent identify the question class, then follow the corresponding workflow, and give the answer based on the knowledge. Input the command to query customer information. Give the corresponding answer to user. Type in the query command to get related staff details. Execute the workflow and feedback the answer. Enter an unavailable query to trigger prompts. The agent will responsive prompt to remind user the available range of the question. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use PNW Directory Agent.